What up, everyone? So in this video I want to show you how to snipe from third-party suppliers, dropshippers. Okay, before we start, my name is Alexander. I'm a full-time dropshipping on eBay UK. I have currently 3 stores. So if you are interested about the most up-to-date content about eBay dropshipping on eBay UK, this is a channel you want to be in. Okay, I guarantee you that. So also, before we start, I have a free Telegram group. If you don't know what is Telegram, it is like WhatsApp but better. So you have the link in the description. So come and join to my group. You get free support from me and other members, and you need to be in the community because this is your life now. And if you want this life, this community, so come and join us. So basically, I did a video about how to snipe people that dropship from Amazon to eBay.co.uk with high margins. And today I want to show you how to do that exactly for third-party suppliers, and also because of the low competition that you will have. So you have a low competition, it's good and it's not good, because if you have a low competition, it means that you have much more chance to sell the item, but because there is a low competition, it is harder to find the drop shippers and you don't have so many. But you still can make really good profit because like you have like also a lot of items that are very high ticket items. So let me share my screen straight away. Share screen. Okay, that we can close. So basically, when I'm starting my research, I always have 3 windows: the suppliers window, Zik Analytics. Okay, if you don't know what is Zik Analytics, it is a product research, market research tool. You have the link in the description for Zik, and it really speed up the process. It really speed up the process. Like when I started, the Zik was not existing and I did everything manually, so it is really a time saver. So let's go to COSTCO. Okay, let's use COSTCO for the start. For this video I will use COSTCO. I will do, first of all, if you will like this video about third-party suppliers sniping, so leave a comment below, leave this video a thumbs up, and tell me that you want me to do more videos about sniping third-party suppliers, dropshippers. So when I start, I always go to hot buy. Okay, why? Because most likely people will list from their items. I just want to find a good dropshipper that is selling items from COSTCO with a good margin. So like TVs, tablets, things like that, I don't search. I want a generic item that a different dropshipper that dropship the item can do a title for it, can optimize a title for it. That is not like it's brand or something like that. Let's see what we have interesting. Oh, this one is interesting. This is a dining table, also very high price. Let's go to this table. Like when someone want to purchase a table on eBay or somewhere online, and like it doesn't really matter what is the brand. Okay, you just need to the people, that the buyer will love it. So let's copy the title. Copy the title, and I will go straight to eBay UK and paste the title here. So COSTCO is a great supplier, good solid delivery. The problem, they don't provide a tracking number, but the delivery is certain, and they also have the shipping included. Okay, the free shipping. So when you start your research, don't forget to put that I'm in the UK, the postage to UK, United Kingdom. Okay, perfect. So now I will go back, and now I will do refresh. Okay, now you have all the results. People are selling in the UK, shipped to UK, and also internationally. So you see, you have this one that's selling for 700. We have this one for 619. This for 600. So what I need to do first I want to see the seller's name. So I'll click here in customize and seller information, apply changes. Okay, so we have this one selling for 700. Feedback is good, so I basically search between 100 to 1,000, maybe 2,000-3,000, because in this range I can find really good items to snipe. So let's copy his name and go here to Zig competitor research. We click paste here, and now I want to see what items he already sold this. So he's selling 20, almost 23 grand a month. He has a lot of listings, not selling that a lot, but I don't care. I just want to snipe what is selling, okay? So we have this item, and Zeke, when you have the green dot, it means that it also found the same item on Amazon. Okay, so let's see if it is actually from Amazon and maybe not COSTCO. So it is Prime. Here it's fulfilled by Amazon. It costs 109. Let's go to his listing. I want to try to find this item on COSTCO. Maybe it is cheaper there. So I will open his listing. There it is. And I will scroll down to the description. And I think maybe he might take it from Amazon or COSTCO. I'm not sure. Let's look at the description. Amazon, Amazon, Amazon. Don't have here COSTCO. So no, this one is from Amazon. And this seller is not selling that a lot. You see, like my minimum is 3 sold in the past 30 days. 4 is even better, but this is from Amazon. So let's take another seller. So let's take this one. He has also a good feedback, a bit over 1,000. So he does know what he does. So we have this item, okay. It's also, we have a green dot. So let's see it. So it is sold on Amazon. So let's open 2 links. So it is not a Prime item. So maybe he's selling it from COSTCO. Let's try to find it on COSTCO. Here's the description. Amazon. There we go, COSTCO. Let's see how much it sold for in COSTCO. 179, but this is a king size. Let's choose here king size. Let's see how much. 200. So he's selling it for 264. So let's do the math. Where is our calculator? So let's say you are not VAT registered, okay? So it is 14% your fees. So 263.99 minus 14%. Okay, minus 0.2. This is the transaction fee, and minus 200. So this guy is making like more than 10% profit on this particular item. And you see that this is a high price item. Like in Amazon, the high price items people are selling for like £1 profit, or maybe 2-3%, max 5%. But here you have a solid 10%, and it's like he sold it 83 times. And let's see how much, 8 times in the past 30 days. So let's say that he's selling it 8 times in a month. So let's do that by 8. So only from this particular item, he's doing more than £200 in profit only for this item. Imagine yourself if you have like 100 items like this, 1,000 items like this. Okay, but you need to be consistent, to list new items each day, and to list as much as possible. So let's see what else he is selling. So there you go, you have already the first item that you can snipe. So he has this rug, and sold 3 times, so we can check. Let's check this one. No, so found a different match on Amazon. So just let's search it manually. Sold 29 times. Let's search by the description. Walmart. Here we go. We have here COSTCO. It's pack of 54. Pack of 60. This is a 54 pack. 54 pants. 60. Let's try to find here maybe. Let's copy this title and paste it here and put 60. 60. 60. The same item. Yeah, small, medium, 60 pence. Small, medium, 60 pence. This is the item he's selling for $43.99, and here it's $32.49 free shipping. So let's do quick math. I don't think the margin will be that great here, but let's see. Minus 14%, minus 0.2, and how much? Minus 32.49. So it is still more than 10%. He's selling it for $43.99, and his profit is a bit more than £5. Let's do exact math. He's selling for $43.99 times 100. So his profit, solid profit after fees, after everything, it like he's doing almost 12% profit, and this is very good. Like this is only one supplier. COSTCO is a really good supplier, and you can make a decent profit from him. They don't offer any cashback or discounted gift cards, but there are different third-party suppliers like B&Q, like Donlem, Georgie, Asda. They offer a cashback, or B&Q also offer cashback and discounted gift cards. So yeah, there you have it for COSTCO. Okay, please leave your comments below if you want me to show you another vendors, another suppliers, maybe Zuplas, from Domu. I have really great suppliers that you can use. That just leave me a message below, and I will do more videos about how to drop ship from third-party suppliers, because from Amazon everyone can do that, but sniping from third-party suppliers is a bit more complicated, but the profits are much higher. Okay, much higher. I'm telling you, I sold an item from COSTCO. It was like a playground, something like that. Let's see if they have it here. Playhouse. I hope they have it still here. I think this one. Yeah, this one. I sold this one twice or three times. I currently not selling this item. I sold it for seven. I remember the exact amount is 1,649. So let's do the math, okay? Let's do the math. If you are not VAT registered, so I sold it 1,649 minus 14% minus 0.2 minus so if you are not VAT registered, so this is the money that I have earned, okay, only selling this item. So let's do the math for if I am VAT registered. And also I think that this category has like lower fees, doesn't matter. Let's do 1,649 minus 17% minus 0.2 minus 1249.99. So my profit on this item here was 120 pounds, okay, and I think it was a bit more. If I remember correct, it costed in that when I sold it, it was 1,200 and not 1,250. So my profit here only for this item that that I sold maybe twice or three times, and I sold it like after 1 week, even less. Like imagine yourself, you get a notification in your phone of you got a payment of almost 1,700 pounds. Like it was mind blowing, and I never thought and believed that I can actually sell this item, and I sold it in like I think after 2 days, something like that. So yeah, that is for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Again, if you want to know about eBay dropshipping in the UK, my channel is most of all it is for the UK. There's not a lot of good content about eBay UK, so please subscribe to my channel, leave this video a thumbs up, and comment below you want more videos about different suppliers. I will make more videos how to snipe third-party suppliers, dropshippers. So leave your comments below. Don't forget to join my Telegram group. Please join it. If you are serious about your eBay business, you need to join the group. Okay, that's it, guys. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.